Disney lovers! Welcome back to another video. I'm Kathy and this is my channel. Today has been a day. We have 2.5 days of school left, so the kids are a little bit restless, but I did get a little Minnie Mouse sticker from one of my students, so that made the day a little bit better. I have a Magic at Your Door unboxing, so I want to share that with you. I know it's a little bit late. I'm sorry about that. This has been just sitting here and begging me to be opened, so I'm finally opening it now. I have today a new pair of ears that I got a few more, but for right now, this pair is by Ears Full of Sugar, and I will link them down below, but I'll talk more about it in a haul video that will be coming up soon because I've purchased a lot of new things. I also have my Target water bottle with me, so anyway, let's get started on the Magic at Your Door unboxing. So I have my unboxing for June, and it looks like it is a 4th of July theme, which is exciting. I'm all in blue today, not so much red, white, and blue, but oh well, it'll have to do. Okay. So excited, my favorite part. The confetti. All right, let's see. So, you have to excuse me, I am a little bit sunburned, so, well, summertime. As always, there is the printout with all of the pricing information on the side. And let's see, this month we have exciting news. Customize your Magic Box online. We're thrilled to announce that all preferences will now be submitted and updated via our website. I like that, that's awesome. Instead of just sending an email, now it will be online, is what it sounds like. So that I'm looking forward to. So as you probably saw, we have red, white, and blue confetti. Yay! And I'm just going to move that. I cannot see a single thing in this box because there's so much confetti. Okay. Wait, okay. Looking at this outfit and ears I've got going on, can you tell what my favorite color is? If you can't, it's blue, especially this shade of blue, which I see we've got going on in the confetti here, a little bit of that shade of blue. And as soon as I took the confetti off, I'm seeing a lot more of that shade of blue. So let's start. First thing I am seeing is a very patriotic scarf. Look at that, oh my gosh, Mickey heads in the stars. So cute. So we've got a scarf. I haven't gotten a scarf before actually. So this is $21.99. Seems nice and thin, so it would be okay to wear, not just in winter time. And another bucket hat. Okay, I got a bucket hat in my last video and I was really excited about it. And a lot of my family was really jealous. It was very like Polynesian, maybe Alani themed. This one is a Disneyland hat. So again, still the same kind of color scheme with the blue, that blue that I like. But this is very cute and I love bucket hats, especially for like the pool. So I'm sure my family will be taking this from me. So that's really cute. This is $24.95. Awesome. And I really don't have anything from Disneyland because I've still never been. How many videos will I have will I say I've never been to Disneyland? Anyway, moving on. Silver pouch. Oh, okay. I have to take a look inside. More confetti. Feels like a box, I think. Okay, I've gotten a little Disney Mickey box like this before in my Magic at Your Door box, and they make me so excited. They're so cute with the little Mickeys on it. All right, let's see. Oh, very nice. So it is a little key, and on the top of the key, it's in the shape of a little Mickey head. It's kind of hard to see against this background. if you can see it a little bit better there. Yeah. It's a very sparkly little key with crystals from Swarovski. So there you go. That'll be nice to add to my Disney jewelry collection. Thank you. And this was $29.95. So got those 3 things. That is the pouch. Oh, okay. So this next thing I actually saw in an unboxing. Okay. So this next thing I'm pretty sure I saw in an unboxing that I just watched recently, Pins and Pixie Dust. So I was watching an unboxing on Pins and Pixie Dust on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure this is exactly what she had in her Magic at Your Door box. So it is a 3-piece kitchen set. It includes a dish towel, pot holder, and oven mitt. So, go. Pot holder. I'm sorry. Okay, something was stuck in here and it just fell out. And I love it and I'm really excited about it, but stay over there. Sweet. Okay, so pot holder, oven mitt, and dish towel in the back. Which these are so cute. I'm like so excited. I would just want to have like so many Disney things in my future home. And look at these colors. My colors. My colors. I think 4th of July was probably a good month for me to get like a themed box because I love blue and red and white, but especially this kind of shade of blue. So I'm really excited to add these to my collection and hopefully a future kitchen. Now, what just fell out are these. Oh my gosh. Seriously, look at them. Okay, so as you can see, these are socks. They are super adorable. They have Minnie and Mickey, one on each foot. And the back, there's like a little bit too. Yeah. But this is just so cute. So these are $13.99. And when they fell out, I was just like so excited. At first I thought they were like headbands or something, but look at that. That is just adorable. Adorable. Okay. All right, we are down to the last thing, the final item in my box. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this. I don't know who got boxes last month out of everyone that's watching this video, but in my box in May, I got the infuser pitcher, and I am obsessed with it. It makes me feel so summery. And I've been using it all the time, putting like lemons in the middle, letting the water sit in there, and it gets like so nice. And it makes me feel so summery, and I really love it. And I saw that a few other people got it too. So I hope that you're all enjoying yours as much as I'm enjoying mine. But it looks like my next item is another very summery treat that I will be enjoying. We have little Ice Pop ice treat molds. So they have like little Mickeys on the top. And then you can put something in there to turn it into an ice pop. And I'm just thinking of like all the fruit related pops that I could make in these, and they'll be so cute. Bring summertime to your table. Very nice. So that's a 4 count and it's $9.95. That's actually not so bad. So I am very happy with all of these summery things. I'm so excited about this. Let me see. So if we have, this is 30, Okay, so if I take all the items that I got in my box today, it would be around $115 worth of merchandise, which for paying only $90 for the box, including shipping, is awesome. So I'm really excited about that. I can see myself using a lot of these things and also maybe even gifting some of them. I don't know if I can bear to give them away, but the blue is so great. I am so excited, and just look, it's like a decoration in a box. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I will be doing more unboxings. Over the summer, I have a few more fun videos planned. Another haul and a few vlogs. So make sure you subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye, Disney lovers.